Hello, I'm Matteo. Welcome back to Earphone Tuesday, the Tech Travel Geeks feature where we unbox and provide first impressions and sometimes full reviews of earphones here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Earphones are one of the things we use the most when we travel. It's a good way to listen to podcasts, audiobooks, music, the news, essentially content from our devices without annoying the people around us, and also, in a way, protecting us from others and the noises around us. Today we're going to be unboxing a set of OneOdio A8 wireless headphones. These are overhead earphones which offer great value for money and are available to purchase on Amazon UK. So I'm going to take my handy jerry-rig everything razor knife and just ensure that there's no plastic along the edge of the box. The packaging is quite snazzy. It's obviously made for physical retail stores, but the key features that we see on the packaging are that it has Bluetooth 5, some relatively large drivers at 40mm in size, and an indication of the overall size of them with some models with it. I'll look at the earphones in a moment. What else is in the box? So, once we've discarded the box, there's a decent manual, reasonable size of manual that gives us the instructions on how to use the earphones. There's a charging cable. In this case, it is USB Type A to micro USB. So not the latest standard of charger, but micro USB may be something you already have around and you already have a charger to, so especially for when traveling, it must be quite handy. Now these are the earphones themselves. It's actually quite fun. They fold up into not a perfect round ball, but a relatively easy unit to carry. There's no case in the box, there's no bag in the box to carry them with, but they're relatively compact ear drivers, and as you can see on the edge here, there's an R for right, L for left, so you know which one goes where, and they seem to be adjustable by pushing them in and out of the earphone headband. And you can see that the wire to the earphone drivers is coming through that headphone band. Now the band is made out of what feels like pleather, plastic leather, both top and bottom, two-tone as you can see, red on the bottom, black on the top. The cable's red, and the ear pads are made of similar pleather in black. Some nice detailing on the inside of the earphones with the OneOdio branding. Now these silver bits seem to be made of. Actually, that's plastic. The cups are made out of plastic, but the controls are all in this case, the right earphone. So you have the charger side, and then you have minus and plus for volume, and that's it. So what we're going to do is now pair the OneOdio A8 earphones with the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, which we're in the process of reviewing. Check out the videos that we have set up for this already on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. I'm going to go into the Bluetooth and see what we have available. Now this involves a long press of the volume up button or volume down. Let us cheat and actually read the instructions. So we have OneOdio, power on off, press and hold the multifunction button, which in this case is point number 4. So let's have a look at that instruction. It says, press and hold multifunction button. Multifunction button, right, number 5. Oh, okay. So the whole side of the earbud, ooh, they light up. Interesting. So the whole side of the earbud is a multifunction button. In that case, we are now on. Wait till the slow fingerprint reader is found. Available devices. Scan. OneOdio A8 pops up. So we're going to pair with them. It's fairly simple. Great, so we're connected. What I'm going to do is put the OneOdio A8 through its paces, and once I've done that, I'll be back with some first impressions of these affordable earphones available on Amazon. We'll speak to you in a moment. Right then, I'm back after a few hours using the OneOdio A8 earphones. And I have to say, for the price, for less than £18, you're getting a pretty decent set of earphones. Sound is pretty well rounded for a set of earphones in this price range. It is slightly more on the bassier side, but it doesn't seem to crackle whenever I put it through the usual playlist, which I'll link to in the description, that can often find some lower quality speakers off guard. So the sound quality is pretty decent, but as I said, it's slightly more on the bassier side, which is a way manufacturers use to not only satisfy people who do prefer the bassier sound, but also cover up some maybe inadequacies in the overall quality of the audio coming out of the earbuds. Now, I was using them over Bluetooth with the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. I also connected them to my iPhone. There's no issues there. These are a set of Bluetooth 5 earphones, which means that they worked fine with Bluetooth 5, and I was able to see the battery levels on both the iPhone and the Samsung Galaxy A52. So good overall performance. I did make a video call. I called a friend in the US, and everything was great for me for sound, and also on the other end of the Google Meet call. One thing to bear in mind though was the feedback was that it was a bit low in volume on their end, so they weren't hearing me as loudly. But I have to say, overall, value for money, they are a decent buy. So I can say that they're pretty decent in that respect. So, I will put a link in the description to where you can purchase these on Amazon here in the UK. You will also be able to get the playlist that I'll link to in the description, as well as all our social media channels. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you would like to know more, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below. But for now, thank you for watching, and goodbye from me.